Photoshop's latest version has made a change in how files are saved. So I just want to point this out. It's a quick fix. All you need to do is when you open up Photoshop, go up here to Preferences, hold down your mouse and swing down to File Handling. What you want to do is you want to check Enable Legacy Save As. And before I do it, I just want to show you why. I've got a file here, and let's go to Layers and let's take a look at it. It's got many layers in this. So currently the way Photoshop has now set itself up for file savings, if you go to Save As, you're not going to see too many options. You're just going to see large document format, PDF, or TIFF. So that doesn't work. You can flatten the image and save it, but I really prefer, and many of the assignments are asking you to save it, if not all of them are asking you to save as a JPEG, because a JPEG is a much smaller file size than a PSD file, because PSD files have layers in them. So let's just go over this again. It's really easy. You open up Photoshop, you go to Preferences, you hold down your mouse and go to File Handling, and you're going to click Enable Legacy, and it'll give you a warning and just go, okay. And now let's see what happens when I go up here and go to File, Save As. And now you see that it's giving me lots of options here. So you want to make sure that if your Photoshop is not set up that way, that you go ahead and make that change.